This is the new bike park at SHAKOPEE, and I think a lot of stuff's still going to be above my pay grade. But I'm going to just kind of check it out, see what I think. It looks pretty intense. Oh my gosh, it does look very intense. My first look at these jumps was that they looked pretty extreme, but once I started running through them, I realized this was some of the easiest and best progressions I've ever seen in any of the bike parks so far. This looks like an all-weather type thing. I'm going to do the green first just to see what that's like. Oh, this is just weird. It's just weird. It's very weird. Oh, the grip. The grip. First jump. Oh yeah. Oh, first time and I clear them both. Sweet. I'm gonna add some tabletops to my marathon. For sure. Oh, first time. Woo! Nice. That was my first run. Okay. That first jump, no big deal. Then you got kind of a gap. Okay. Let's go. Here we go. First time. No, I cased it. Then you got this one. Okay. That actually doesn't look too bad. You got this route here, which I don't know what this does. Wow! Okay. Wow! Okay. These are big. Wow. These are really scary. Scary big. Okay. Wow. Wow! I'm not quite ready for it. This is the skills course here on the bottom of the hill. And this to me is 100% Pathfinder. I'm thinking that's who built it, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask those guys if they know who built this. It's like super loose though. Oh my gosh, the wandering stones. Are you supposed to like dodge in and out of these? That's pretty cool. And there's like a pair of sunglasses there. Okay. Was this worth the drive? So far, yeah. Absolutely. If I can master slope style here, I can do it almost anywhere. Oh, that wind. I'm not sure. Oh, they don't have a wheelie drop here. They don't have any drops. That's what they don't have. I don't think there's any drops here. Green. Green. I'm almost over clearing these. The first one I really over cleared. Last one is the trickster. Woo! Okay, so that's the drop I have. So I don't know if we're supposed to cut through the field or not. Oh, so close! Oh, so close. Oh yeah! I cased those, but I'm getting closer. These jumps do kick you a little bit. I got it on firm. I think I'm going to take it off firm and see, or go halfway and see how that feels. But yeah, they really kick you. So I'm going to go softer because I think I can still get them. It's just getting that initial speed. This place also had the easiest hill climb of all times. You could choose the paved path, as you can see here, or if you look a little to the left, there is a dirt path that goes up as well too. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I think I got it that time. Oh, this next one is super scary. I'm casing them, but I'm coming so close.
Yeah, we'll see you're ahead.
One last time. Oh yeah! Woo! I got it. I finally got it. This one is super scary though. Oh, I still cased it. Oh, these berms are just so immaculate. It's awesome. I love it. Just, you know, scrape your handlebar on the ground. So my first trip to Farmstead was a hoot. Had a lot of fun. Didn't get into anything advanced, but I did realize one thing. The carpeted shag trail, as I like to call it, and the wooden takeoffs were splendid. Once you get going on those, you're set for the whole entire time you ever come here, which is pretty sweet. So I was ready for a second trip. Close into it. Greetings, people folks on Space Airlines. I'm here at... Whew! The heat is something else today. I'm at the bike park again in SHAKOPEE, the new one. And I didn't do this last time. This is the return trail up. So this is one of the jumps that I totally cleared last time. That's what it looks like. And that one up there is the same. Yeah, those two there are the two big ones that I didn't get. But this is... it's probably a 8 or 10 foot jump. I'm gonna really love this place once I get going here, because the jumps are wooden takeoffs, and then they got this turf down. Make sure I'm the only one here. I am. There's some kids down yonder, but they're not on bikes. Last time I was really flying it, but I didn't get that on camera, so. And I got almost a full battery, even though I was at Murphy Henry. Murphy, hand on your Henry rifle. Hours dawn to dusk. That's pretty sweet. I like that. Here we go, first run. No brakes. That is the key here, is to use no brakes, so these berms are just immaculate. Yeah! Let's do the whole thing. Yeah, if you want to get into berm riding, this is your stuff. I am barely braking at all. Woo! Not quite. This one you just coast right into. I think I cleared it. Woo! I think I got it now. This thing scares the crap out of me. Yeah! Didn't feel like I cleared it, but I did.
My seemingly endless runs at the blue line were actually a bit comical. I go off into the grass and I get kicked pretty hard a few times. And I kept going and obviously I got the first jump and all that good stuff. But then eventually, obviously, as I just kept going and going and going, eventually I would get these 2 big jumps. Eventually.
I'm getting this one though. Nope, I didn't get either one that time. Bike park. It's gonna be nuts. Yeah, I'm not feeling it anymore. Wow, I got it! Woo! Oh, I got them both. Yes! Woo! This blue line, right side. I'm not going to do the jumps, I'm just going to kind of look at them. So what does it take to get this first jump? I just can't seem to get it. Okay, that doesn't seem too bad actually. This next one is a little bit psycho. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they get pretty extreme. This is the next line I want to try and build myself up to. Holy crap. That doesn't seem like it's too bad, too much more, but it's that's a 20-foot jump.